Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yentan. The number of confirmed novel coronavirus cases in the country has increased to 4,281. According to Health Ministry data, the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 3,851, while 318 have either been cured of the disease or discharged, and one had migrated. The death toll has also gone up to 111. The total positive cases in Northeast region is 30. In Nagaland so far, 60 suspected COVID-19 samples have been sent for testing, while reports for 47 are negative. The outcome of 13 samples are awaited as on 5 p.m. yesterday. In the fight against novel coronavirus, Nagaland government, through the Department of Health and Family Welfare and other allied departments, is continuously working to strengthen and improve the medical infrastructure across the state. Government spokesperson for COVID-19 and Minister for Planning and Coordination Nipa Grono, in a statement yesterday, said that the number of isolation beds, including the beds in the designated COVID-19 hospitals, has increased to 489. He said the total number of personal protection equipments for the entire state is now over 23,000, while N95 masks acquired stands at 44,051, which are being distributed to the districts. He also said that the department has till now acquired a total of 70 ventilators for taking care of COVID-19 patients, and the target is to increase this quantity to over 300. As the second week of the 21 days nationwide lockdown concluded, Minister Grono asserted that the government is in constant touch with all the districts as regards the availability of food grains, medicines, POL, and other essential goods and commodities. He said the position continues to be normal. He also thanked all the community leaders and the civil society organizations for their continued cooperation, support and assistance to the district administration and police across the state for educating and convincing everyone on the need for strict adherence to the lockdown measures, which is so vital to win the war against the coronavirus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday interacted with central ministers and emphasized the importance of being motivated, determined and vigilant in the battle against COVID-19. During the interaction, Modi asked ministers to remain in touch with states and district administrations to provide solutions to emergent problems and formulate district-level micro plans. He urged relevant ministries to continuously monitor and ensure that benefits of Garib Kalyan Yojana keep reaching intended beneficiaries in a seamless manner. Modi asked ministers to popularize Arogya Setu app in the rural areas and grassroots institutions. He asked ministers to identify 10 key decisions and 10 priority areas of focus for each ministry once lockdown ends, saying ministries should prepare a business continuity plan and be ready to fight the economic impact of COVID-19 on a war footing. Prime Minister highlighted the crisis is also an opportunity to boost Make in India and reduce dependence of other countries. Dimapur District Administration, in collaboration with various NGOs, yesterday distributed free food packets and provided free home delivery of essential commodities to stranded students, passengers, and destitute people. Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur, Anup Kinchi, in a statement said regular meals are being provided to 347 persons, while 700 to 800 people are provided food packets and essential commodities on a daily basis through community kitchen and food bank initiatives. The administration also gave relief materials to around 100 students through Dimapur Naga Students' Union. He said any individual or organization who wants to contribute to the community kitchen and food bank programs under Deputy Commissioner's office can contact the DC Control Room through phone numbers 03862 24850. I repeat, 03862 24850. With a view to mitigate the water problem in Kohima during the ongoing lockdown, the Kohima Municipal Council KMC would be extending assistance to all the colonies within its jurisdiction from today. In this, the KMC has decided to distribute water tanks with 2,000-litre capacity to each of the colonies and supply water free of cost as far as possible on a daily basis, if not on alternate days. Informing that the target group would be the daily wage earners and the poorest of the poor, KMC asked the colony leaders to identify the water receiving points as per the number of such locations listed against their respective wards by the KMC office, and also to identify genuine beneficiaries. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.